Welcome to Websense Pro. I'm your host Bilal Nasir, again with a bug fix tutorial video. And in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can fix WordPress not sending email to your inbox if your contact form emails are going to spam or other notification emails are not coming to your inbox. Then this solution video is for you. So without further ado, let's get into the screen. Okay guys, so that's a WordPress and Elementor website which we built for our client, and our customer emailed us back days ago that they were having issues receiving inquiry from their website to their inbox. They said they are not getting any emails when someone fill up the form. So for example, if I fill up the form, testing comment, click on submit button, all of the emails which WordPress is sending through this contact form are ending up in spam. So that's the email, that's the test submission which I just did. Now, in order to fix this issue that my email comes into inbox rather than spam, I'm going to show you the solution which you can implement on your WordPress website so that all of the web form inquiries will come to your inbox. You can also implement this solution if you are not receiving emails at all. So if you're not getting into your inbox, neither your spam, you can still implement this solution. Okay, now let's go to the dashboard of WordPress. So it's the WP form plugin which we use for the form. You can implement this solution no matter whatever plugin you are using. So if you're using contact form or any other plugin, you can still implement this solution. Okay, now from WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new. And then here, search for plugin called WP Mail SMTP. And then click on install now. Activate the plugin. And then click on WP Mail SMTP. Click on settings, and from here we will scroll down and select our mailer option as send in blue. And when you scroll down after clicking the send in blue, you will see an option to add an API key and sending domain. So in sending domain, we'll add the same domain name. And in order to generate the API key for Send in Blue, we'll just navigate to sendinblue.com and create a new account using a Gmail email. Now click on create an account. And from there, click on sign up with Google on create account page and select your Gmail account. Once set up, you can fill in the details and click next. Okay. Add in your info and then click next. Fill up all of the info as per your company. Once you add your phone number, you will get a confirmation code to your phone number. Click on verify button after adding the confirmation code. And your Send in Blue account is ready to go. Now click on the free plan, continue with free plan, where you can send 300 mails a day, which I think is good enough. If you need to send more emails, you will need to select the premium version. For now, I'll go with the free version. And from dashboard, click on this small arrow icon and then click on senders and IP. Here, select domains. Click on add a domain, where I'll add the domain name where I'm adding the sand and blue API key. So I'm going to copy the domain name, add in here, click save. And now we will need to verify our domain. So in order to verify the domain, you will need to add the DNS settings. If you're using Cloudflare or any other DNS manager, you can add these TXT records in order to verify your domain name. I have all of these stuff in cPanel, so I'm going to go to cPanel and DNS manager. So guys, I'm logged into my cPanel account for this domain name, where I'm adding the email fixing issue, so email doesn't end up in spam. Okay, now from here, I'll search for DNS, and here, click on Zone Editor. By the way, if you guys are looking for any customization help with your WordPress website, or if you want any help with bug fixing of your WordPress website, comment on the video below, or email us to the mentioned email in the comment box. Also, you can email at info@websensepro.com if you need any WordPress help. Okay, let's get back to the tutorial. Now click on Manage. And here, I'm going to add the TXT records which are suggested by the Sand and Blue. Okay, now copy the host name. Go back to Zone Editor. Add a TXT record. Add in the host. TTL add in 100 as we want to make it quickly appear. Copy the value. Add in the value. So DNS settings may be DNS interface may be different based on your hosting. Most of the hosting companies are using cPanel, so it will be very similar. But if you are any third-party DNS manager, for example Cloudflare, you can add TXT record very easily. Okay, now add the second TXT record. Similarly, copy the host name, paste it here. Paste it here. Hit save record. And once you add both of the TXT records, just go back to Sand and Blue and click on Verify and Authenticate. Cool. Our domain name is authenticated. I click the button twice, so it's giving me the red color error. You won't get it. Okay. Now our domain name is authenticated. Now we'll click on this top arrow icon again and click on SMTP and API. Okay. Now from here, we'll click on API keys and click on generate a new API key. I'm going to name the API key same as my domain name. Click on generate. And then we have our API key ready to be added in our WordPress website. Now click on this copy icon. Go back to your WordPress dashboard in WP Mail SMTP settings and paste in the API key. Once you add the API key, click on Save Settings. And now your issue should be resolved. Now let's change the from email to the same email from this domain name. Just copy the domain name and add in info@nycsignandgraphics.com, which is the email, force from email. Now click Save Settings again. Now let's do the test submission. Go back to Contact Us page. Add in the first name and add in the mobile number. Just adding the test mobile number for now. Add in your comment. Click on Submit button. And let's wait for the email to come. So guys, as you can see, the emails, the contact form submissions are showing up in my inbox, no longer going into spam. So that's the old spam email which I got. I had to pause a video for a minute or two in order to wait for the emails to come, because it took a little while to be received. But as you can see, the test submissions have been received in my inbox and not going to spam. So that's the solution for fixing your web form email receiving issue, or if your emails from your contact form are going to spam, you can apply this solution in order to fix this issue. If you like this video, don't forget to comment on the video below and let me know if you want to learn more about Elementor, WordPress or Shopify. Would love to create more videos for you. Until next video, have a great day.